It's 12 noon here at Kyoto. We're still waiting for our check-in time, so in the meantime, we're looking for some place to eat. This is a quiet neighborhood. Say hi, madam. So yeah, strolling around this neighborhood, looking for some place to eat under the heat of Kyoto summer. We're now going to Arashimaya Park, Arashimaya, whatever. I'm poor with names. Well, anyway. So today we're going to explore Hongdae University or Hongdae. I don't know. I'm poor with names. So we're going to the Bamboo Grove from our hotel, and I think the trip will take us like less than an hour, I guess. We're walking under the 38 degrees summer weather in Kyoto. Oh no.
Kyoto is a well-known city in Japan. It is most well-known in Japanese history for being the former imperial capital of Japan for more than 1,000 years.
Here at Arashiyama Park, and we're going to the Bamboo Grove. I really like the vibe here because it felt that I was transported back to time. So yeah, it's so hot.
Arashiyama is in the far west of Kyoto, tucked along the base of the Arashiyama Mountains.
It's definitely cooler down here because of the shade. Well, it's just a walk in the park.
The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove is one of Kyoto's top sites, and for good reason. Standing amid these soaring stalks of bamboo is like being in another world.
Well, I'll have to stay here longer because it's cooler.
Tenryuji Temple is a headline attraction in Arashiyama, a sprawling Zen temple with one of the finest gardens in Kyoto and wonderful mountain views.
Another bright and shiny day here at Kyoto, Japan, and we're going to Fushimi Inari Shrine. And it's not easy to get lost here because everyone's going there.
The Fushimi Inari Taisha is the head shrine of the god Inari, located in Fushimi Ward in Kyoto, Japan. The shrine sits at the base of a mountain also named Inari, which is 233 meters above sea level.
Walking around the shrine feels surreal. Amazing.
The shrine is open 24 hours with both the approach to the shrine and the honden.
So many people right now. Anyway, from Fushimi Inari Shrine, we took a cab to Kiyomizu-dera Temple. I chose to ride a cab because the heat, I cannot. It's actually an uphill climb to Kiyomizu, whatever temple.
Kiyomizu-dera, officially Otowa-san Kiyomizu-dera, is an independent Buddhist temple in eastern Kyoto.
This temple is really stunning. I usually see this on travel channels and Instagram. It's really surreal to see it in person. Absolutely stunning. And I'm out of words and air. Whew. Kiyomizu-dera Temple, whatever. I'm poor with names.
The temple is part of the historic monuments of ancient Kyoto and UNESCO World Heritage Site.
We finally made it here at the Gion district. It's not Gion, it's Gion. Well, anyway.
Yasaka Shrine is one of the Shinto shrines in Kyoto.
So showing you around the Gion district of Kyoto, Japan. It's full of wooden houses, cobblestone pathwalk, and lots of tourists.
This shrine used to be the Kanpei Taisha, meaning that it stood in the first rank of government-supported shrines.
Trying to beat the summer heat by trying this shaved ice, Coke flavor. Oh, yum yum. Wow. It's our last day in Kyoto. It's 7 in the evening, and we're going to Teramachi, the shopping district of Kyoto.
Teramachi Street is a historical street in Kyoto, Japan, running north-south. The area extending from Shijo Street to somewhat above Sanjo Street is an arcade containing an assortment of shops and services, both traditional and modern. The street's name literally means Temple Town and reflects the large number of temples moved there during Toyotomi Hideyoshi's remodeling of Kyoto in the 16th century. There is something about Kyoto, and I can't really explain it, but I guess this unexplainable feels will always lure me to revisit this city and discover more about its unique culture and history. So far, I am loving the vibe and energy of this city. It felt like I was transported back in time. Here at Kyoto Station waiting for a local train to Osaka. Well, our visit to Kyoto was short but sweet, and I would definitely go back here during its colder months. Well, I see you guys around. Adios amigos, bye-bye. Hola amigos, from Fushimi Shrine we took a cab to Kiyomizu-dera Temple, or Kiyomizu-dera Temple, whatever. We should have taken the train, but the heat I cannot bear. Init kayo.
两个一起睡了，然后两个你拿的嘛？你坐，找个地方你坐了。
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Would you think my collection's complete? You got a friend in me. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Would you think my collection's complete? Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Mama, ooh. I dun 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 tomorrow.